You've seen it. Someone goes through a breakup and suddenly their story turns into a quote wall. Sometimes silence is the loudest response. Real love doesn't hurt this way. You know it's not random, it's strategic. But here's the question. Why do people post quotes after a breakup? Is it for healing or is it a silent cry for attention? Psychologists say, quote, posting after heartbreak is a subtle form of emotional regulation. When people can't say what they feel directly, they borrow words that express their pain. It's their way of making sense of chaos, using quotes as mirrors for emotions they can't name. There's also an element of social signaling, the unspoken, I'm hurt, but I'm okay. They want the ex to see without ever saying it. It's not just communication, it's emotional power play. Some use it as revenge validation, hoping the right line hits the right nerve. Others use it for self-soothing, finding comfort in knowing someone else once felt the same pain. But beneath it all lies one truth. People post quotes not to show strength, but to rebuild identity. After losing someone, they're trying to find their voice again, one quote at a time. So next time you see someone posting breakup quotes, don't just scroll past. They're not being dramatic, they're trying to heal in public. Because sometimes, before we move on from someone, we have to remind ourselves, through words, who we are without them.